Hey guys, Cody with Auto Mafia Racing, and we're going to modernize my F150 today. We're going to remove this front grille here, and we're also going to remove this front brush guard. I might put it back on, maybe paint it. On my 2014 Platinum here, there's a lot of chrome, and I'm not a big chrome guy, especially not like this. So today we're going to be replacing this with one of our Raptor grills we have in stock. So I took the grill off, and I'm already liking it. I know, yes, it's way better protection, especially out here in Montana with all the deer, but man, looks way cleaner without that big chrome grill. So, alright, gonna get to removing the actual grill instead of the brush guard, or whatever I ended up calling it, and move on from there. Alright, grill is off. It's real simple. It's just 10 mils all the way down the grill and on each side. It pops right off. So now that it's off, I'm gonna paint the Raptor grill white to match my truck, and it should look pretty good. I already have all of the lights out of it, so I'll show you painting it. Okay. So here is our Raptor grill. I already have the amber LEDs taken out here, which is just Phillips screws, no big deal at all. How many do we have of these in stock, you think?
10, 12.
10, 12. Okay, so plenty for people to buy here. We're gonna go ahead and paint it white to match the white truck, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. So don't make fun of my spray technique too much. Alright, so what it's going to look like. Obviously, you know, we use just regular flat white paint or semi-gloss, so it's not going to match the Platinum Tri-Coat. But for now, this is going to be good. I'm going to pull it off and actually paint match it, and it'll be a lot better, but I wanted to see what it's going to look like, and I needed a white base coat anyway. So, alright, I think it's definitely an improvement. I might just throw the chrome brush guard back on to kind of cover it a little bit until I get the paint match, but it takes 5 minutes to pull off, so it's really not that bad to pull it off, and I'll paint it again. So there we go. And if you want to wire it, it does come with a wiring kit. All you need to do is find a nice 12-volt source and ground, and you're good to go. So you can pull it off the headlight or anything really.
Your running lights.
Running lights would be the best way to do it, and it also comes with all the hardware, everything needed. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and we'll get a final little video for it for the shorts and everything, and we'll be good to go. All right, here we go. Fully installed. Only took about 10-15 minutes, you know. Brackets are all good, nice and strong. You can pick this right up on automafiaracing.com. There'll be a link in the description. There will also be a link right here, probably at the top left here. And you can pick one up. It will obviously not be painted. That's just something I did before throwing it on because I like it paint matched. We're going to continue that on this truck, just kind of paint matching everything and dechroming all of it. And I think it looks pretty good. So here we go.